Kitchen of the Future. 2025 trends in smart, sustainable, and stylish cooking spaces. The modern kitchen in 2025 is more than just a place to cook. It's become the central hub of a home's lifestyle. As technology advances and sustainability becomes a priority, homeowners are reimagining their kitchens to align with efficiency, health, and beauty. From voice-controlled appliances to zero-waste practices, the kitchen is evolving. These be the trends transforming kitchens this year. Smart kitchens be now standard in modern homes. Voice assistants control lighting, timers, and even recipes, reducing the need for manual input. AI-driven refrigerators monitor expiry dates, suggest meal plans based on contents, and even order groceries autonomously. Touchless faucets and motion-sensing garbage bins enhance hygiene. Cooktops feature smart induction zones that automatically adjust temperature based on cookware size. With multi-device syncing, users can control ovens, blenders, and slow cookers from a single app. Custom alerts notify when water is boiling, meat reaches optimal temperature, or pantry stock runs low. Home chefs are empowered with real-time analytics, automating tasks that once demanded full attention. Sustainability is reshaping the way we approach kitchen design and usage. Zero-waste practices are gaining traction, with composting systems and food recyclers now built into modern kitchen islands. Smart trash cans help separate waste with image recognition and suggest reuse tips. Water-saving dishwashers and eco-friendly materials like bamboo, recycled glass, and non-toxic paints are popular. Home hydroponic systems allow for growing herbs and leafy greens indoors year-round, reducing reliance on store-bought produce. LED lighting, solar-powered appliances, and grey water recycling systems are becoming essential features. These changes not only reduce environmental impact, but also lower utility bills over time. Health-centric design is another major focus. Air quality monitors now accompany high-end range hoods, providing updates on indoor air pollution levels and suggesting when to ventilate. Kitchens are incorporating more natural light through smart glass windows that adjust tint based on sunlight. Ergonomic countertop heights, anti-fatigue mats, and hands-free cabinets are enhancing comfort. Meal prep zones are being optimized for healthy eating habits with built-in smoothie stations, steam ovens, and nutrient-retaining cookware. Even the fridge layout is being redesigned for health, placing fruits and vegetables at eye level to encourage better choices. The result is a kitchen that supports both physical and mental well-being. Design aesthetics continue to evolve, embracing a blend of functionality and luxury. Matte black, soft white, and earthy tones dominate color palettes, complemented by natural textures like stone and wood grain. Open shelving displays curated essentials, replacing upper cabinets to create a more open feel. Modular kitchen furniture allows for easy reconfiguration based on need, whether entertaining guests or focusing on meal prep. Hidden storage solutions such as toe kick drawers and ceiling mounted racks maximize space. Minimalist hardware, integrated lighting, and smart backsplashes that display recipes or news updates on touch command reflect the futuristic elegance of 2025. This is not just design for show, it's intuitive living.